In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a trade in MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to have a trade open. So I do have one over here, as you can see, and you want to go to the Trade tab here in this bottom terminal. If you can see it, you want to go to the View tab and then click on Terminal or press Ctrl and T on your keyboard, which is going to show this here at the bottom. Now go to Trade, as I said, and then in here, if you want to close a trade, what you can do is either right-click and click on Close Order. You could right-click and click on Modify or Delete Order, where you can essentially change type to Instant Execution and put the volume to whatever your current volume is over here, and then just click on Close and then the amount. So if I do this right now, as you can see, it's going to close. Or if I go and quickly buy some right now, you could also go and click on this X button towards the very right. But if you do this for the first time you do it, it's going to ask you to basically confirm you want to enable one-click trading. So confirm that, and after you do it, you'll be able to click on the X button to automatically close that specific trade. So those are all the ways you could do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.